Someone's just very content in here, making noises, sucking on his hands. He's technically 7 weeks old today. Hi, Ian. Can you give the camera some smiles? Can you give the camera some smiles? What's wrong? What's wrong? Let's get some smiles. Hi, Ian, honey. What? Tell Mama. Tell Mama. Huh? What is it, Pumpkin? Link, what's the matter? What happened? Can you tell me what happened? Link, what's wrong? Where are your animals? I see you've got a little cat and a raccoon on my bed and a lion and a tiger. What are they doing? And a random rooster. Here's a noisy boy. Woody! What is it? Oh, I love this tummy. This boy likes to eat. Yes, he does. Huh, Ian? Hi, sweetheart. Hi. He's got his little Belgian outfit on, which, of course, has no snaps down here where you would need it to change the diaper. Yeah. Huh. What do you have? That's Daddy's cologne, mister. Okay, this area? No, no. What? Shelf. What are you saying? Shelf?
Shelf.
Stuff?
Shelf.
That's Daddy's stuff. There's nothing in there that's fun for you. You need to be a nice boy, okay? Can you behave nicely for Mommy? I think I smell poop of the Ian kind. Yes, I do. Did you poop your pants? Did you poop your pants? Huh? Tell me, Hands. Did you poop your pants? Are those tiger sounds? What sounds are those that you're making? I hear some tootie wooties over here, E. Rawr! 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 Whoa, what animal is that?
That's a tiger.
Whoa, is that tiger beside you? Oh, there's your lion. What's a lion say? What's a rooster say? No, remember what a rooster says? Cock-a-doodle-doo! But then that doesn't sound very ferocious, does it? Lincoln, how old are you? How old are you? Today is May 20... I don't know. Here, let me look. It's May 26th. All right, let's say goodbye to the camera. Can you say ciao?
Ciao.
Say, I love you, Mama.
I love Mama.
Say, I love my dada.
I love you, Mama.
What? Say, I love my dada.
I love Dada.
Say, I love my baby Ian.
I love baby ear.
And I love my milk.
And the lemon milk.
Can you sing the alphabet? A, B, E, F, G. He's over here still making noises. Such a happy baby. You're such a happy, good baby boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, Pumpkin. Yes, Ian. Oh, I love this tummy, tummy, tummy.